How to log in onto your Sonic Drive-In account on your iPhone. First, you want to go to your App Store. First, you want to go to your Sonic application. And here you want to allow all the permission that the app is asking. Click on allow and click on accept all cookies. Click on allow again. And here you'll see a join now button over here. Simply tap on join now and it will redirect you to the official website. After that, if you want to sign in with the app, if you want to sign in with the Facebook account or your Apple account, you can do so by clicking on one of these. Or if you already have an account, or if you want to create your new account, you can simply fill out your information over here and simply click on continue to create your new account and log in into the application. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further issues, make sure to leave a comment down below.